All right, people. So, I want to say, I was reading a headline where it says Vibes Cartel is upset about the fact that this guy Drake is the number one streaming artist in Jamaica. All right, this is Mosha from the Mosha Reggae Lounge. But, you know, you guys have to realize what's going on in Jamaica and all over the world. The number one thing is this: Jamaican people don't control Jamaica. Number two is this: the people that you see their face in the media every day, the people who control Jamaica have an agenda. Okay? What's his name? Wholeness. I'm not afraid of no guy, because he's a Jamaican. I'm not afraid of no guy. You see, Wholeness is a traitor. Alright? Tell him say me say that, and me not really care. You understand? Because him no greater than my God when me serve. Only me not power there because my God put him in a power there. So I want to tell the people them one thing, right? In Wholeness and all of the leaders them where you see in the world, except for the few, is a part of the corporation, of the United States Corporation. They're part of that corporation, right? So there's an agenda to whitewash the world, to keep the indigenous people of the world. Me is a Rastaman. Hola mi amor, ¿cómo está? Bien? Yeah, to keep to keep the people, the indigenous people of the world, suppressed. And so them show your image. I've always show your image of light skinned face and all them kind of face that is not indigenous. You look at a Miss World Jamaica pageant and all of the girls them light skin or look whitish. Me not say me a racist people. I want to understand it's not about racism. It's about fairness. What is righteous is righteous. Me I deal with righteousness. Me no care if the prettiest girl is if she pretty, how you gonna say the prettiest girl in Jamaica is a light skin every year? The only girl me see, maybe one or two, what me see was Miss World, was Joan something another back in the 70s. The real represent the real culture of the people. Now everything them a do is whitewash. Now this guy Drake, him born a blood clot Canada. Okay, nothing wrong with that. But Jamaican music is Jamaican music. Jamaican music is this. If you deal with Jamaican music, you must deal with the indigenous things that cause Jamaican music to reach the stage that it is. Okay? So what they're trying to do, they're trying to steal the culture from us and give it to somebody that look like them. But they're doing it slowly. Look what they did in 2015. They named the reggae artist of the world to this girl from France. Come on, man. Of the reggae artist of the century for this girl from France. How can the reggae artist of the century be a girl from France? It's not possible. You understand? That's not possible. It no matter how much she knows, she can't know more reggae than the indigenous people. The foundation of reggae music. The foundation of reggae music is, I'm sorry to say this, is not coming from another source. It's coming from Jamaica. Reggae music describes the culture and the feeling of what the people are going through in Jamaica. That's where reggae music was born out of. Reggae music, okay, because what we are listening to now, is reggae music, people. Chinky chick, strings. On no basis. Anybody can chinky chick, and you call it reggae. That's not reggae music. Reggae music is a poem like the Bible to express. As a matter of fact, it's in the Bible. You understand? Reggae, this is why Bob Marley is so powerful, because when me a little youth at Jamaica, reggae music, Bob Marley was expressing what we was feeling underneath the system that controls the world. Me have a name for it, you call it octopus. Right? The octopus will control the whole world. You understand? Bob Marley was expressing that. So that octopus is still in Jamaica, still controlling Jamaica, still controlling every aspect, because them control the media, them control everything in Jamaica. You understand? And because them control, them are going to decide who for face go in front of the public. So one who don't understand, when a DJ go up on the ear, him no control that, him get a certain amount of music to play. The producers, which are these people, give him what they want to play. They are sociologists, right? They create the social environment for the people to be accepted, and that's how they push out and racism and all them things come into play. So all the people have to do, all you guys need to do, just don't buy the music, because if you don't buy the music, it done the so. Don't worry about it. Buy the music what you like. And remember this, if a man not express what you are go through, forget it. And a man who don't suffer, him can't express what you are go through, That's why Vibes Cartel, me listen to 1 and 2 music them, and it's real. That's why them put him in prison. You understand? Them a try to shut up people. Me no care, them can't shut me up, because the Most High is master of all. He says this. The Most High, Isaiah 45 verse 7 says, I form light and I create darkness. In another place, Deuteronomy or one of them other chapter, it says, I wound and I heal. In another place, it says, I kill and I make alive. In another place, it says, if there's evil in the city, have the Lord not done it? And in another place, it says this. I want you to check the Bible for yourself. You alright? It says, look, let the rich man not glory in his riches. Now the poor man not glory. Let the rich man not glory in riches. Now the strong man his strength. But let him that glory in this, knowing this, that the Creator God himself is he that showeth mercies to all. That I tell us, this one power, one love. You understand? So I'm not afraid of no guy. Whatever power him give over somebody if do me harm, that's what them are going to do. So all it have to do is humble me. But me I try to tell you, people are Jamaican people and people all over the world, if you don't like what's going on, don't support it. And how you don't support it? Your energy. And how you use your energy? Your money. Energy, currency means energy. Currency, energy. Don't take your money and buy that. But some people might buy it because it represents the mindset what them represent. Just like some people like the dirty music, talking about disrespecting women. A lot of these guys, they disrespect women, and these women are talking about broke off your back and your hole, and that's nasty. How not buy music like that? How not buy music where disrespect women, bro? You have a woman and you have a sister. Me listen to some of you, me never listen to them. Me listen to it, me can't repeat it on this. Me never want to repeat it, it's so nasty. So you have people where represent that. That is the choice where the most I give you. The most I give you a choice. You understand? For do this or that. But the more that, listen, practice make perfect. No one done perfect, but practice make perfect. Whatever you practice, that's what you're going to become. So if in your mind, you practice certain dirty lifestyle, that's what you're going to become. You're going to become a perfect, dirty, nasty person. So there's the Creator give you room for do that, Him give you room for mess up until you're ready. And if some people never ready and them just go. Because him said, don't pray for these people. In that one part, him said, don't pray to me for them. Them hopeless. So what I say is, no matter what them bring down upon Jamaica, if UNO not support it, it can't stand. It cannot stand. Alright? So them are trying to whitewash Jamaica. Don't you see that the people them, where them are put in a place in a Jamaica all over the world, have white, light skin? I don't want you guys to take it wrong, I'm just speaking about what I see. And it is wrong. If you have a talent, whether you're black, green, pink, or red, you should be seen, but not because of your color. You understand? Not because, but that's the agenda. I'm sure say the brother they were put up, nothing about the music, but come on people, man. So the people in Jamaica are supposed to be the one to fix that. Okay? They are the ones who are supposed to take care of those things. Not 1 and 2 man. Okay, that's why also them send Buju to jail and everybody say, oh, him sell drugs and nobody ever asks Buju Banton what happened. Everybody has jumped to conclusion just because them see something. Because they don't know the power of technology, what technology can do. You understand? They want to take reggae music from us and give it to a different type of people because reggae music is so powerful. Just like them take the Bible and I put for them name on it, say at them, and everybody has said the Bible are the white man book, and it's not true. Them take them make everybody think say the land where the Europeans are in North Africa, that's the land of the chosen people of the Creator. It's not true neither. That just because they want a land for certain people, they want a space for certain type of people. So everything where you see on the earth, they might try to take it away from us. You understand? They might have come up with all kinds of things to make you think that them invent certain things. So back to the music, guys. Listen. Reggae music is not reggae. Chenke cheke, chenke cheke, chenke cheke, chenke cheke, chenk. That's not reggae music. Reggae music is a poem. Me no listen to Bob Marley kids them, you know. No disrespect to them, you know. I love them. Because them cannot express what Bob Marley express. Never in a million years. Never. No matter how good them is pan instrument, them can never do it. Enough people agree with me because they don't know what Bob Marley was about. And every single person in Bob Marley's group was a poet in the beginning. In the beginning of Bob Marley group, every single person in Bob Marley's group was a poet. You didn't have no musician in Bob Marley's group, you know. You had poets. Because one man would have used 2 buckle and play an instrument. One man would have used 3 stone and play an instrument. So it wasn't about that. It was about expressing a sentiment of what the people and the Most High give to the people to express to the world. That's why Bob Marley said them got tired for him. Because them can't get him out of the race because him a deal with the foundation of the human spirit. Nobody now deal with that nowadays. What they're doing nowadays, they might take away the music and turn it into commercialism to make money. And you have a lot of our people jumping on that bandwagon for money. That's why a lot of them end up dead because them sell them soul. So this guy when named Drake, and them say, well, him the on the top. Don't worry about him. Just get the message out for the Jamaican people. Don't buy his music, and that's it. You understand? Just don't buy it. Just get the consciousness out there, people. Just get back to the Creator. That's all. Yo, you know the Creator bring. He said, I will bring evil upon you. Because it's one God, you know. When we say one love, I never know what that means, you know. One love is because of one power in the world. I don't know two. I don't know the devil. A one power. And him create everything for a reason. You know must find out what the reason is and humble yourself. And stop mistreat one another and kill one another. You understand? Stop disrespect woman. If you don't stop disrespect woman, you know. If you don't stop disrespect the ladies, you know, your life would be better because the Bible warn you. Okay, in Malachi chapter 5 verse 4, it says, behold, I will send you Elisha the prophet before the coming of the great and terrible day of the Lord. And he shall turn the hearts of the fathers back to the children, and the hearts of the children back to the father. How many of us grow up with our mothers, our aunt, or whoever tell we say we father no damn good and we just going to be like we father? Drunkard like we father and this and that. How many of us? My mom told me that my daddy was no damn good. And if you hate your father, you cannot see the kingdom of the Most High. The kingdom of the Most High is within you. That means you won't have no peace in your life. You understand? So you must know what that means. All of the single family business where you see are going in America, all of the killing each other, only one thing, there's no father in the home. There's no father in the home. And the father, they tell you, turn back the hearts of the fathers to the children. That are the revelation. That are the meaning of that scripture. You understand? So, no father, no daddy. Everybody now, I look for them only to satisfy them only egotistical need with sex. It's all about sex now. You understand? And then 2 minutes later from you get the sex, the novelty wears off. A man chase a woman until him catch her, you know. You know see? Man chase a woman until him catch her. And when him catch her, it done. Because the novelty done. When the novelty wear off, you know, everything done, you know. Because you know now the principle of the Most High. When you live with a certain different vibration, upon a higher level. When you're upon the higher level where the Creator wants, you know, if you live so long with your woman, have picnic with your woman, so till when you move from this dimension to the next dimension, hold on like with a picnic and move into paradise together. You understand me? That's how it's supposed to go. But this is the curse of the land. You know the Genesis, the father tell the woman, him say, I will multiply thy sorrows, and in sorrow shall thou bring forth children. What kind of sorrow? It never say pain. Woman feel pain. And it not talk about the sorrow of a childbirth where you physically see. It talk about wars and problems and tribulation. If you look up the word sorrow, and if you look up the etymology of the word sorrow, and you see where it come from, it's talking about a lifestyle and certain things that you experience, the pain and the problems that you go through in life. That's the sorrow. Look, all of these single women, what they go through as a single mom with their children. They suffer. They suffer like crazy with the babies to bring the children up. That's the sorrow. He said, I will multiply thy conception. And he shall bruise your head and bruise his heel and all of that. That means to say, when the man who's supposed to be in charge of the whole family and treating woman with respect, the woman is doing that. Because of sex, he no want to turn against her because he no want to get him sex. So the power now goes to his head, goes to the head of the house, goes to she. Because him head get bruised now, you know. He's still the head, but it bruised. Like you still have your head on your body and somebody knock your head and you cut it. At the same thing. You still have your head, but it have a cut on it. So in your family, where the man is supposed to be the head of that and control the family and love his family and protect his woman and protect her innocence, what happened? She becomes the authority because he wants sex. If him don't give her a proof, if she ask him to do something and she don't do it, and him don't do it, she don't give no sex. Because of that, him sell out his soul to that. So the father didn't know say that's gonna come. So him warn you. Say the head go get bruised and the heel I go get bruised too. You follow what I say? So people, all you men out there, come back to the Most High. May I tell you now right now, my girlfriend died. I'm in a shame to say this. In 2006, I'm in a deal with no girl. I may have enough girl with me there. Whole heap of them want me. Come up to me and tell me when. Me have some girl that follow me and tell me, say, in the bathroom where they go hang out, all the girls is talking about me. Me say, why? She said, because they never see you with a woman and they want to try because they figure you must be somebody special. Me not a person special, guys. Me just have the Most High just give me a favor and allow me to resist certain temptation. So I have the choice, and because of that, I learn about relationship. And if you, may I tell you one more thing, if you want to find a good woman, when you meet her, if you really like her and you want something, don't have sex with her. Me can't tell you nothing more. That's the secret. Me can't give you no more advice. Don't have sex with her, because the moment you have sex with her first, you ruin it. Because she go feel say in the back of her mind, she go feel say, you're just like the other man them. You're not different, and she not trust you. She will go with you and do what you want and blah blah blah. But in the back of her mind, she don't like you because you use her, and she resent you. She hates you. Then you're married to it. Then after you're married to it, things don't work out because she resent the heck out of you, right? And then when you get divorced, she take you to the cleaners. The Bible says, hell no fury but to a woman's scorn. It's not fair fault. Nothing that a woman do is her fault, or the man's fault. Nothing. I don't blame woman for nothing. You call her a bitch, you make she wear whatever she want and you admire it. If she go up on the road naked, you're whistling and you're happy if you say that. What you expect her to do? But if you don't give her no attention when she do that, what do you think the woman gonna do? Them say a man's virtue is a woman's honor. So honor not no virtue. So you can't claim to virtue without the temptation. Anyway, people, me move from talking about the music to this because this is important. All I have to say is, watch out. This is Mosha coming to you from Mosha's Reggae Lounge. We don't only talk about music and dancing and ladies and enjoy having fun. I want to do things where I uplift people's spirit because this is my food. The food when me cook spiritual, you know, because I never go to school to learn for cooking. You know. I never go to school for it. So where it come from? It don't come from me. It come from the Most High. And Him will give me them information there for do what me do. Because when I go in the kitchen for cook food. That's why when people come here, so you know, and if them not no patience and them can't wait, I don't cook for them, you know. Them can't go on about them business, go eat pig food. Or just some rest. Because I want the money to pay the bills and the rent and to help other people. But I not going to support people when have no patience for food. That's why America, every corner you go up and you see a McDonald's, you can get a McDonald's meal in 5 minutes, but the whole of them are dead of all kind of diseases. The men them have more prostate problem than bird seed in the world. You know what I'm saying? Them have high blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the number one killer. There's 43,000 different diseases registered by the CDC in the United States of America. And all of those diseases come from what you're putting in your mouth. All of them. Me not a doctor, but me know from me. I tell you from my own experience. So me experience every day. You understand? Me go to a doctor already. And the doctor look at me and tell me, say, okay, you have stones in your kidney. In your gallbladder. And me I say, how can that be? Because me a man will eat good. But it never come from when me start eating 15, 20 years ago. It come from when me I eat from me a little boy. Because it take time for the liver start to break down, you know. And the doctor look at me, my personal doctor, and tell me, say, if you have them things that you can't get them out. And I say, all right. You see 3 months later, when we go to the big hospital in the Dominican Republic and show them the picture, if you don't want to see it, we can send it to Congo and send you the analysis. Have the cat scan with them do. No friggin' stone. Everything gone. The interologist looked at me and said, yo, how did you do that? He tell me in Spanish. He said, you can be rich here. Me tell him I was on a protocol, a special diet. He said, what is that? I said, when I write the book, when I finish the book, me and you can make money. But he said, yo, you are amazing. Them couldn't believe it without drugs. Where me get that from? And the most I give me them knowledge there. And him give me a whole heap. And the next thing, everything the most I put you through is not to make you suffer, it's to teach you. But you're not too damn stubborn, for humble yourself and make the knowledge of the most I come inside and listen to him voice within you. That's why we are suffer so much. You understand? Because everything you do in your life is a test, you know. All the way you go through is a test, but we can't see it because we have our own plan. And it now vibe with the plan of the Creator. You understand? So back to the men. Men, respect the woman them. Stop call her bitch. Stop admire her when she wear the little skimpy clothes them. You know, don't look on her. If you think I'm kidding, do this experiment. You in an environment and a girl dressed so-called sexy and you don't pay her no mind and see what happens. In that moment. She or she gravitate towards you because she want the attention. But that's not, the attention you're giving her, that's not what she really wants. She wants you to like her for who she is, but you're not mature enough to see that. You understand? All you see is the sex. But anyway, people, I have to go. I've been on this long enough. But like I said, don't buy the music. Buy the music where represent Jamaica. Peace out.